Stay hydrated, people. Hello, and welcome. Or welcome back, depending on your browsing preferences. I moved the office because I had to. Because my office/studio is also doubling as a guest room, which is getting booked for the holidays. So I had a little episode and moved everything before 9 a.m. Did 2,500 steps just walking back and forth between two rooms. So that was fun. But now it's time to sit down and do a little bit of makeup, playing with some old palettes of mine. Today going back to the Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I got this palette. That's pretty much it. But I'm trying to look festive. This is my festive running jumper that I don't wear for my runs because it's too tight, but it's kind of cozy and it's red, so I figured, why not? Question mark? Step fun, hair out of my face. Alrighty, Roo. So, I still have grocery shopping to do, which is freaking me out. Trying to stay calm and positive and optimistic. All things that are not my nature. Go in with some putty primer. Step 1 done. Step 2. I do have the original brush, cherry brush. Starting with this juicy shade. And just maybe a spoiler alert type of thing. I'm just trying stuff today. Like, oh wow. No. Okay. It's okay. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Is this looking as orange on camera as it is in real life? My god. Well, now I have to commit. We're in it, we're doing this. Really not a fan of this blending brush. What? We even get sun? Look at us go. No, sun, come back. We didn't mean it. Well, that escalated quickly. That's fine. It's okay. I will go into this Feels shade and try if I can soften it a little bit. I will grab I was gonna do a complete halo, but I kind of like when it's glittery only here, like this tiny little peak, so I think I'm gonna go into that. Gonna use this skinny part of the brush, this shade called Turn On. We'll see what it does, you know what I mean? Is this gold, beige gold shade. Pack that in. Now I want to go back with this brush and just soften the thing. This is a good grocery run look so far. I will take the Urban Decay Blendy brush and I will grab this hotspot that I broke some time ago very lightly to soften the upper lid and blend it into each other. That orange really freaked me out. This is better. I think this looks a little bit more wearable for me, at least. It's not that aggressive. Okay, lovely. Same thing with the hotspot shade on my other half of the face. Oh no! Alright, lower lid, I want to use the Caution, the beige nothing, and then turn on top of it so that it is just really sparkly. I'm gonna use the naked brush for that because hopefully I can stay right above, right under the lash line with this brush. Okay, that's the shade called Caution. And now turn on. Just want to go over and smudge it slightly here. Great! And for the inner corner, I'm gonna use my highlighter, which is pink gold. That's not bad. Hopefully the light is not working against me. Now just mascara. I feel like my under eye is not really doing me any favors today, so I'm just gonna try to fix the color here. How is that? How is that looking? I feel like I'm a very festive shopper. I'm into it. Hi YouTube. Listen, that Naked Cherry palette, that thing is growing on me, okay? I did not see that coming and it's kind of freaking me out. I mean, what a quickie. I did not expect that this is gonna go so well and this is gonna be so quick, but I've got grocery run to make, so I'm gonna need me some snack to get me some physical and mental energy, and then hopefully I'll kick myself outside to the shops and get them foods. So wish me luck. Yeah, I really hope that this festive period, if you're celebrating, is not getting to you, and if you're not celebrating, I hope everyone else is not getting to you. Everyone else who is just running up and down is not getting to you, and you are able to enjoy your days in some peace on whatever level is comfortable to you. If you made it all the way to here, consider subscribing or liking the video or leaving the comment or doing the YouTube things. No, wait, these are the YouTube things. Okay, consider that. You know, what do you think about that? Are we pro? Are we con? Anyways, thanks for being here. Thanks for bracing it, and I'll see you for day 19 tomorrow. Bye!